Okay, welcome to lesson 2094 of Algebraic Concepts, Direct Variation 2. Please watch Direct Variation 1 for a foundation on this topic. This is going to go deeper into direct variation. Now we're looking at graphs. Same vocabulary as the previous video. Now we're going to be talking about points. And again, direct variation must go through the point 0, 0. Must. Okay, find the constant of variation like we did in the last video. So 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 2. So the constant of variation is negative 2. Y equals negative 2 times x. Find the constant of variation and then determine if the equation shows direct variation. So we're going to add 2x because we got to get rid of everything near the y. Divide by 3. Y equals 2/3 x plus 2. This does not show direct variation because we have this plus 2 on here. This plus 2 throws everything off. This is not direct variation. The equation says y equals k times x. No plus or minus anything. So this does not show direct variation. So those were our two examples, and we didn't get off into a graph, but maybe in the problem set there will be. We may ask you to plot a point, so be on the lookout for that. Do the upcoming problems, and then I will see you at the end of the video for a review. Find a constant of variation and write an equation. So negative 2, positive 2, positive 2. This does not show, the constant of variation is not there. So this does not show direct variation. So not possible. Find the constant of variation and then write an equation. So again, subtracting x from both sides, 2y equals negative x, divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals negative x over 2, or negative 1/2 x. You're seeing where that 1 come from. The 1 was always there. So we wrote the equation, but the constant of variation is negative 1/2. On to problem 3. The value of y varies directly with x, and so these are the same problems. Okay, so we did this before. So 7.2 equals k times 1.6. Divide both sides by 1.6. 7.2 divided by 1.6, 16. 4.5. Okay, so y equals 4.5 times x. Because we substituted the 4.5 in for k. So this is our video on direct variation. Thank you for watching. And if you like what you saw, subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video.